This video tutorial I will explain what is Gradle. Imagine you are making a delicious sandwich. You need different ingredients like bread, veggies and cheese. Now you can think of Gradle as your cooking assistant. When developers create software, they write a lot of code and brings in different pieces from other places. Gradle is like your cooking assistant that helps to organize and combine all these code pieces and resources in the right way. Now we will see how Gradle works. The first point is getting ingredients. Just like you gather ingredients for your sandwich, developers gather code, libraries and files. Gradle helps to fetch these from different places. The second point is mixing everything. After you have your sandwich ingredients, you layer them together. Gradle does something similar with the code. It arranges all the pieces in the correct order. Third point is customizable recipes. Think about how you can make different types of sandwiches. Similarly, Gradle can adjust to different types of software projects, whether it is a website or app or something else. Fourth point is fast and precise. If your assistant knew exactly which ingredients goes where, making your sandwich would be quick. Like that, Gradle knows where everything belongs, making software building faster. Fifth point is helping everyone. Sometimes more than one person wants a sandwich. Similarly, many developers can work together with Gradle on a project, making teamwork easier. In summary, Gradle is like a cooking assistant that helps developers gather code ingredients and arrange them correctly to create software, making the whole process easier and faster. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.